Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in the previous session we have discussed about the frame set and frames concept. So by using the frame set we have divided the complete web page into different sections, and in each section we have created one separate HTML file. It should be loaded in that particular sections, right? So in today's session we'll go with the one example for this frame set. We'll create a multiple frames in a web page, and in each frame we'll load a separate HTML file with different hyperlinks. Okay, so we'll create the web page in such a way that, so let us take a web page here. So this is a web page and this is the menu bar. Okay, first we'll divide this page with the 3 columns. Okay, first we'll divide this page with the 3 columns, and then this one with the 2 columns. Here we'll go with the logo, and here we'll go with the header. Okay, here we'll go with the header, and here we'll go with the menu. Okay, and here we'll go with the footer. Okay, with a footer, right? Here we'll have some links. In this place we'll have some links. Okay, some home button, okay, some courses, about, contact. Okay, like this we will create a few menus. Okay, so I will write it in a clear way. So home, about us, courses, contact. Okay, let us create all these links. So these are the hyperlinks. Okay, these are the hyperlinks. So whenever you click on this home, or whenever you click on this menu, okay, that should be displayed in this place. Okay, this is the place where we have to display the links. Display the links. So whenever you click on this link, the page should be displayed in this frame itself. Okay, so it should not redirect to the new frame. So that the frame should be, the web page. That means we have to create web pages for home, about us, courses, contact. So 4 web pages, and by clicking this about us web page, that should be loaded in this place itself. Okay, not in the new window or not in the new tab. So it should be displayed in this frame, right? So we'll create such a web page now. Right, so let's move on to the computer. Hello friends, so now we'll demonstrate with the given example. So we'll develop the web page. So first we'll develop the sections. We'll divide the web page into sections by using a frame set and a frame. So first that we have to go with the HTML tag, so and then go with the frame set. So frame set, so in order to get that, first we have to divide into three rows, right? So 3 rows. So the first one is for the header. Let us take some 20% of the portion, and the footer will be 20%, and remaining middle will be the 60%. So let us take 20%, 60%, and 20%. And now in this frame set, first one is a header. Again, that is divided into 2 columns. Okay, that is divided into 2 columns. So I will I will tell you one by one. Okay. See, so I'm just creating the thing. So in the desktop we'll go with the one thing. So frames example, a folder, the name frames example. In that folder we'll create all the web pages, right? So we need to create around 5 web pages, 5 files. Okay, so in that we are supposed to go with the header and all these things. So we'll do that. Yeah, in this frames example we'll save this one. So this is a frame.html. Okay, so this is how we can divide it into the frame. So open the folder and you can observe here and double click on that. We'll get the frame. So that will be executed in a web browser, as we have discussed in the previous session. Right? So you can observe there is no divisions because we didn't write any frames. Right? We didn't write any frames. So go with this one and create a frame for the first one. Again, that frame should be divided into two columns, right? So again, go with the frame set columns. So now it should be columns, some 30% of the portion and 70% of the portion. Okay, and in that we have to go with the frame src is equal to. So here you can go with the logo. Okay, you can go with the logo. Just we'll copy that in the logo. Let us take yeah, let us take these images and we'll just copy into here. Okay, we'll copy here and see, you have to give the location where the image should be displayed, right? So this is the location. We can get the location here. So images logo.jpg, images logo.jpg. So go to the notepad and give the source here slash logo.jpg. Okay, we'll adjust the width and height after visibility. Okay, after seeing the visibility in the web page. This is the first frame and the second frame also, and also give the name for this first frame. Okay, we'll give some name. Name is equal to C1. That is column 1, right? And next one is a frame src is equal to, go with the header.html. So I have to create this header.html and name is equal to some column 2. Okay, column 2, and close the frame set. This is the inside frame set. Okay, inside frame set. And now for the second 60%, okay, second 60%, again we have to divide into two columns. So frame set, so according to the given example, right? So columns is equal to the same thing. You can go with the 30% or 20%. So go with the same 30%, right? And 70% and 70%. Sorry, 70%, right? Now you go with the frames. So in the first frame, what we have to get it? Okay, frame src is equal to, just write menu.html. Okay, we'll use the complete menu, right? And name is equal to, right? So let us take this one as left.html. Okay, sorry, left. Okay, here we are giving the name left, right? And simply we can give left frame. Okay, for just better understanding. And the next one, that is the right frame. So in this frame src is equal to main.html. Main page should be displayed there, and I will give the name also as a main, right? And close the inner frame set. Okay, frame set for the second thing. And the third 20% is a footer. Directly we can go with the frame because we need not divide into columns. Frame set, frame src is equal to, so here it is a footer.html. Okay, and also give the name is equal to footer, right? So close the frame set, and now you can save the file and just execute that content in the web browser. You can observe you got it. Okay, you got it, but there is a small problem in here, and also the logo has been displayed in a large size. Okay, now we'll close it. Right, we'll adjust the width and height. Width can be some 100 and height can be some 100. Okay, let us take this one and let us execute this one. still, it was still around a large size. Okay. Yeah, now instead of giving this image, we'll go with the HTML. So logo.html, just load this one, logo.html. So in the logo.html, we'll create some image, right? So give the name is equal to some logo. Okay, now we'll see whether the web page has been divided into different frames. Yes, so this is the logo part, this is the header, this is the menu, and this is the main, and this is the footer. So we can reduce the menu, I think. Yeah, so reduce the menu and give it to the AD. Yeah, also we can reduce the logo also we can reduce, right? It is not it's not required to get a large. Yes, so this is the page, and in order to remove the border, so go with the border attribute. So border is equal to, give the 0. Okay, similarly here also go with the, in every frame set just give the value as 0. Here also go with the border is equal to 0. Okay, now you can observe there will be no border for this frames. Okay, see, you can observe here. So these are the total 5 pages we have created. Okay, this is for logo.html, this is the header.html, this is menu.html, this is the main page.html, and this is the footer.html. So we need to create all these web pages. First we will go with the header, logo. So just create a one more web page. So go here, so HTML, and then give the image tag in the body. So img src. So image, for insertion of image we will go with this one. Okay, image source logo.jpg, right, comma, width. We can restrict the width, we'll restrict the width, or simply we can check whether it fits the screen or not. So close the body and close the HTML, save this file as a logo.html, and now you can execute this one, so that the logo should be displayed here. So again it doesn't fit to the frame, so we have to arrange the width and height, adjust the width and height. So adjust the width is equal to some 100, and height is equal to some 100, right? So now let us check whether it fits to the frame or not. Yeah, it's very small, right? So just increase the height and increase somewhat width. So let us increase to width 200, and here let us increase with the 120. Now let us check. So just accordingly we can adjust the height and width. Okay, so you can observe. So by adjusting the height and width, we can still adjust the width, right? So let us take 250, and you can observe here. So it fits to the screen, right? It fits to the screen. Now, so we'll create one more HTML, that is a header, right? Header. So let us create one more HTML for the header. See, HTML, and in the header we need to create in the body, right? So body, just go with the text. Okay, H1, or simply go with the font size. Okay, so font size is equal to 20. Okay, and give our channel name. I am giving some channel name. Okay, and see, so I'm closing the font here because I don't want to display much font, and again I will create one more font, some size is equal to, or simply we can go with the headers, right? So H2, so an educational YouTube channel for self-learning. So we can give any header, right? So I'm just giving this header. Okay, and also I just want to uh, give the color. Okay, body bg color. So bg color means background color is equal to, let us take some, so we can represent the color in terms of hexadecimal format. So we'll go with the hexadecimal format. So 654321. So for each color, red, green, blue, for each color we can represent in a hexadecimal. So I am just giving this one, and let us display everything in a center. Okay, everything in a center. See, center, and here I will close the center and close the body tag and close the HTML tag and save this with the header.html, because we have given the header.html, right? So header.html, and just observe the web page. You can reload the web page so that we'll get the header. So you can observe here, this is the header. So just change the color. So if the color is if you are not satisfied with the color, you again just change the color. Okay, so this is how we can go with this. And here also we can go with the color. So color is equal to some white. We'll take some white color. Okay, so this is how we can apply the font and all these things. So font color is equal to white, and for the tagline also I'm giving the same font color. So again the tagline we are getting the same thing. So this is the header, so we can display the logo here itself also. And now we'll create the menu. Okay, menu.html. So go with the one more notepad and create the menu. So first start with the HTML tag and give the body tag, and now we have to create the menu with the different links, right? So for giving the link, we have to go with the anchor tag, right? A h reference is equal to, okay, first one is a home.html, home.html colon, okay, and here you can observe target. So where it should be displayed. So after clicking this home, where it should be displayed. So it should be displayed in main. Okay, we have given the frame name as main, so I am giving the target as main, and close that one and give the text which to be displayed on the web page, and close the anchor tag, close the anchor tag. Okay, and repeat the same for all the remaining menu items. So the next one is nothing but about.html. So target is equal to main, and here you have to give the text to be displayed on the web browser, about. And again go with the third one, that is courses. Courses.html, and here you can go with the courses, and again use the same content for the contact. So contact.html, so we can give here contact, right? So close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Okay, save this one with the menu.html. So you can refresh the web browser so that the menu will be displayed here. See, so it's not in an order position, so we can just give the order, right? So just place the break line for after every link, so that it will break 2 lines after every link. Now you can observe. So this is the, and before that also we can go with the break line so that the display will be somewhat better. Okay, and change the background. So bg color is equal to, go to the background and use the hexadecimal format. Use the hexadecimal format in order to display the color. Okay, it will be changing the color. So the same color, okay, the same color we have given, right? So hope you understood this one. And also here we can go with the font color. Let us take font color is equal to some white. Now we'll just go with this. So this is the links, okay, so these are the links, so it will be visible in a blue color, no problem. Now take the main.html, so we have to display here, right? So again create one more HTML, that is a main.html. Go with the HTML tag, go with the body tag, okay, and write down here, so font size is equal to some 20, and write down here hello guys, welcome to our website, right? So I'm just closing the font also and close the HTML, right? So and also give the body color, so BG color is equal to some give any color, okay, so 1 1 2 2 3 3. So let us check how what is the page we need to give here, right? So go to the frames. So here we have given some main.html, right? So main.html. So give the name for the this one as a main.html. So main.html, right? Just go. I think the name has been displayed wrong. We will see the main.html. Okay, we will save as, okay, no problem. So we will save as main.html, right? Now refresh the page, we'll get the content. So again here also give the color as a white or yellow, so it will be displayed beautifully. See, so you can observe, hello guys, welcome to our website, and all these things will be displayed on the main, okay. And if you click on the home, automatically we need to get this one, right? So go to the menu.html, home, it's a main.html, right? So for this one it will be main.html. For about, we'll create one more thing for about, okay, html body, and for about you just go with the same thing. So h1, or simply go with the thing center, font size is equal to some 10, color is equal to some white, right? Now give the here about, okay, close the font, close the center, okay, and here write down the content. So give the paragraph, okay, myself Sundeep, Saradhi, Kanthety, having a YouTube channel, and write down the content, uploading video sessions related to CSC, okay. So I have given some text, okay, this is about the about ourselves, and then close the body tag, and then close the HTML tag, and save it as a about.html, right? Save it as about.html, about.html, right? Now let us check. So refresh this one. If you click on this about, so automatically you will get the content here, right? And again, if you click on the hello, right? Now you can observe here. So 15, and give the color. Again, give the color, which is color is equal to some brown, okay, so that if you refresh it one, you will get the same thing. So if you click on about, you will get the brown, okay. So like this we can also use the thing. So we have created a page with a menu.html that will be displayed in this frame, and whenever you are clicking on the about, automatically the content is displayed in the main page itself, okay. If you click on home, this will be changing. So everything will else everything will not be changed, only the main.html will be changing, main frame, okay. This is called a main frame. We have given a name as a main, right? So in that we are getting the result. So go with the one more page. So create one more page. So let us create this one. So go to the body tag, and the next one is a courses. So in order to get the courses, just go with the font size is equal to some 20, okay, and go with the unordered list, okay, unordered list, li C programming, close the li, and one more. So that is a Java programming. So I'm listing out the content, right? Listing out the courses which we have covered in the channel, right? So for that purpose, just an example. For the example I'm giving. So Python programming, so data structures, network security, right? And let us stop here, okay? Let us stop here and close the unordered list ul, and close the body tag, sorry, close the font tag, close the body, and close the HTML tag, and save this file by using the name called courses, course.html. Let us check whether what we have given in the menu. So it is about the courses.html. So just we have to save with the name called courses.html. So just be careful while giving the name. So cross check once and just give that. You can observe, if you click on the courses, we'll get the courses here. So whatever the thing we have covered in that, we get here, right? And the next one is a contact. So instead of contact, we will go with the footer, okay. So create a footer.html. So HTML and body. Inside the body we have to write this. So I will align. So I will align on the left hand, right hand side. Okay. So I will align the content on the right hand side. So div align is equal to right hand side. Okay, right hand side. Now go with the font. Font size is equal to some 15. Okay, 15. Color is equal to some black or a blue. Okay, let's take blue. And now you can create here. So contact, give the contact name so that it will be displayed in the footer, right? So I will create the contact. See, just after creating this one, and then email, okay, and after that close the BR, and then WhatsApp. So everything is in our channel art, no problem. Okay, so close the font, close the body, close the HTML, save this file with the footer.html, so that we have given that footer.html in the menu, right? So footer.html, and you can observe here. So just refresh it, we'll get here, right? Or instead of giving the size, we can go with the header files, I think. Okay, there is no problem. So header file, so h2, we'll give some h2, and here we will close the h2. So you can observe here the contact, so Sundeep Saradhi Kanthety, email, WhatsApp, and these are the different menu. Okay, here also we can go with the color, so body bg color is equal to some gray, you can get like this, you can get like this, right? So this is how we can use the frames concept. So we have divided the complete web page into different frames, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 frames, and also in all the 5 frames we have loaded the different HTML pages. So here we are giving some logo.html, this is the header.html, and this is the main.html, footer.html, menu.html. And coming to the menu.html, we are giving some hyperlinks, and after clicking on the hyperlink, so we should get the result, the content on main.html. So it should not be directed to the new tab. Okay. See, if I click on these courses, that should be here, and if I click on about, it should be displayed here. If I click on home, it should be displayed here. Okay, so like this we can create by using the name. So that's what I have said in the previous session, the importance of name. Okay, here with the help of a name given to the frame, we are just restricting the display of the hyperlink into particular frame. So if you go with the menu.html, you can observe, so in the anchor tag we can have given the target attribute as a main. So main is nothing but a frame. Okay, main is nothing but a name given to the frame. So go with the frames, I will show you that. So frame.html, right? So frame.html, so you can go here, you can see main. This is the main, that is 80% of the portion is given as a name main. So that's why we got it here, that's why we got it here. Okay, and footer also same thing. So we can directly, you can apply the footer this one, or you can simply click on the contact and that will be displayed on the footer. Anything is no problem, right? So like this we can create a web page with the different sections by dividing using the frame set and the frames concept, right? And see in the this anchor tag, instead of giving the target as is equal to main, if you give here new, okay, if you give here new, or simply for the courses, okay, for the courses, if you give here new, you can observe here. So if you click on the courses, a new tab will be created, okay. And also we can go with the one more thing. So this is how we can create, and we can restrict the page should be displayed in the particular frame. Here we can give the frame name or the new or the same, so whatever it may be we can give it, right? So this is how we can implement the frames concept. So hope you understood this one, a simple example. Okay, so if you are having any doubts regarding this frames concept, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. And if you really understood my sessions, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thanks for listening. Thank you very much.